Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, let's have a look into the steps to create new task for field services in Odoo 15. By selecting the field service module, we'll be direct to the My Task window. From here, we will get the details about all tasks created and assigned in this platform. We can use various customizable features like filters, group by, and the favorites. Apart from the campaign view, here we have the map view, calendar view, list view, Gantt view, and also you can see the activity view. In the campaign view, we will get three dots and it include the option to set cover image, share and edit the task. The star icon can be used to add the task to your favorite list and also you can see the option to schedule the activity. Now let's discuss how to create new task in the field service module. For this we can click on the create icon. The name of the task can be added here in the task title field. In the project field, we can mention the project to which this task belongs to. Then we can configure the worksheet template and also we can provide the or add the assignee's name. It is possible to add multiple assignees here. Later, we can specify the customer. After specifying the customer, a new field will appear, that is sales order item. So we can add the item from the drop down menu. Then we can set the plan date. And also we can provide the tags here. Then we can activate the recurrent field if you want to repeat the task at a regular interval. In the description tab, we will get a collaborative pad and it can be utilized to communicate with your teammates. We can chat with them using the features and the general instructions, rules and demands from the customers regarding their task can be specified in this collaborative pad so that the colleagues can follow them and work accordingly. The number of users of this pad can be seen on the top right corner of the tab. Then you can click on the colored box next to the name of the user to give separate colors for each user. This pad also includes share and embed option that will help you to share this pad with other user. You can restrict the pad from any kind of editing by activating the read only option while sharing this pad. In the settings menu, we will get option to set chat always on the screen, show the details of the users and their chat, assign authorship colors for each user, line numbers for the text in the main body of the pad, and here you can see the read content from right to left, and here we can choose the font type and also the language as well. Additionally, we will get the time slider, import or export switch pad, and here you can see the color authorship option in this pad to improve the performance of the collaborative pad. The timesheet tab will be available under each task creation window to record the working time of each assigned employee. We can specify the initially planned hours to complete the task in the respective field. By mentioning the estimated time, you can monitor the progress of task and increase the speed of work if the task is out of track. Using the add a line option, you can manually record the time spent on this task by an assigned employee. Here we can specify the date, name of the employee, description and the hours spent on it. It is also possible to record the time using the start button after creating the task. So we can click on the start button and here you can see that the timer is on now. It is possible to pause the timer, and also you can see the option to resume it. After completing the task, you can click on the stop button. So a confirmation window will appear. Here we can set the duration and also we can describe the activity. So we can click on the save button. And here you can see that it is added here in the timesheet tab. Based on the planned hours and the recorded hours, the progress field will show the percentage of progress of the task. A field service project demands the cooperation of various types of tasks. For the successful completion of this project, it is very important to perform each task in a specified order. While creating new tasks in the field service module, you can add the list of tasks that you want to block under the Blocked by tab. By doing so, Odoo will block the mentioned task and you can complete the current task before them. So we can click on the Add a Line button and a pop-up window will appear with a list of tasks created for various field service operations. From here, we can select a task from this list that you want to block and add to the Blocked by tab. Some tasks in the field services are meant to repeat it at a regular interval of time. For such tasks, you can activate the recurrent option while creating them in the Odoo field service module. By activating the recurrent field, you will get a new tab that is Recurrence. So where you can specify the repetition time and the number of repetitions. The dates of the next occurrence also can be seen in the tab after specifying the repetition time. In this video, we have discussed each step in the creation of new task in the Odoo field service module. By following these steps, you can effortlessly create new tasks and monitor their progress. So that's all about the video. Thank you for watching.